Hi, if you're looking for the best Hostinger coupon code, look right over here. Check out the price first. I enter and paste my coupon code, hit apply, and I instantly save $50 by simply adding my coupon code. How can you do the same? You just have to click the link in my video description, and when you click that link, it will redirect you right over here. Here, you will get the latest working coupon code for Hostinger. You just have to click on the copy button, and it will redirect you to the official website of Hostinger. Right now, Hostinger is offering a special promotion where you can get 80% off on their hosting plans. So here, you can choose any plan you want. My coupon code works on every plan, but for this demo, I'll show you with the unlimited plan. I click on Choose Plan. After it loads, you can click on Have a coupon code, paste the code, hit enter, and it will get applied. This coupon code works for the 48-month plan, 24-month plan, and it also works for the 12-month plan. So basically, it works for every billing period you want to choose. Now, let's talk about why you should choose Hostinger. Hostinger is one of the top hosting platforms available today because it combines unbeatable performance with incredible value. You get blazing fast loading speeds powered by Lightspeed servers, a free domain name, and free SSL security. Managing your site is effortless thanks to their beginner-friendly custom H-panel dashboard and AI-powered website builder tools. Plus, Hostinger comes with a risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out with zero risk.